Good morning, everyone. Stock Mkt here, your financial Sherpa, going for a quick walk on the beach. It's a little nippy out here, but figured we'd squeeze that in before it started to rain. So, hope everyone's having a great day. Just wanted to touch upon three things. A couple recent posts, or three recent posts I did. One, of course, is the stock market. It's actually up about half a point last time I checked. But listen, I'm not anti-stock market. I think obviously there's tons of money to be made in it. It's just not what I do. My focus is on safe strategies for retirement, for college, for whatever. But I take advantage of market gains. Volatility isn't a bad thing. It's where you get your money. It's where you make money. So in my strategy, when the market goes up, you make money. When the market goes down, you lock in your gains. You can never lose money. So to my way of thinking, you have more protection. You capture at least some of the market gains and have given up the market risk. So that's one. Number two, I posted something, I think it was last night or this morning, about reverse mortgages. The reverse mortgage industry exists because people in this country believe they should pay off their homes rather than fund their retirement. And then what happens, they get to retirement age, they have a fully paid off home, but they have no money in their retirement account. The only way to access money in a home is sell it, rent it, or take a loan against it. So you get to 65 or 70, your house is paid off, it's everybody's dream. Now what? You can't buy groceries with your house, so you need to liquidate at least a portion of it. How are you going to do that? You're either going to take out a mortgage, you're going to sell the house, you're going to rent the house. Somehow you need to get money out of this asset. When it's a house, it's not a liquid asset. And the reverse mortgage industry exists only because people believe that their best way to fund their retirement is to prepay or overpay their mortgage and get that all paid off. Absolutely not. I tell my clients, listen, if you can finance on a 30-year mortgage, you can pay it off whenever you want anyway. I have a client recently who just refied for 15. I said, go back to the 30. Why not carry the 30? You can pay it off in 15 if you want to, and take that extra $1,000 a month and put it into a retirement account. Which way you think you're going to be better? The house appreciates one way or the other. Whether you have a loan on it or not is irrelevant. The $12,000 a year that I'm suggesting he put away for retirement is going to grow based on market influences. It's tied to the S&P 500 with no negative. So if the S&P averages 7-8%, he'll over time average 7 or 8%, but never loses money. If the house goes up 20%, he makes 20%. All he did was pull out the cash a little bit early. If the house goes down in value, it goes down in value. Having the mortgage isn't affecting that either. So just something to keep in mind with that reverse mortgage article. And lastly, I just posted an article that came across my newsfeed from something called Life Happens. And it listed almost 800,000 funerals on GoFundMe. I didn't confirm it. That's what the article says. There's 800,000 people looking for help to pay for a funeral. Death is pretty much certain. You are all going to die, myself included. Everybody watching this is going to die. You need life insurance if you care about the people you're leaving behind and don't want them to put your funeral on a credit card or to beg for money on GoFundMe. Are some deaths sudden, unexpected, tragic? Absolutely. But they are all still certain. And I can't emphasize enough that a small life insurance policy, if you don't smoke especially, if you're healthy, can be very inexpensive. And if you can justify other costs in your life, whether it's cable TV or cigarettes or going to ball games, whatever, you have to put some aside to protect your family. It doesn't have to be $1 million. It doesn't even have to be $100,000. It could be $10,000 or $15,000 just to pay for the funeral so they don't have to do the GoFundMe thing or have a barbecue at the VFW. Listen, any questions, any comments, feel free to reach out to me. I am almost out of time. Hope you all have a great day. It almost feels like spring. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. They're getting the beach ready. There's a bulldozer pushing the sand around. Hope you all have a great day. Talk to you soon.